You are welcome to another incredible edition of Unscripted with Jeff Owolewa. My guest is a content creator, one of the biggest. As a matter of fact, yes, so he's an influencer. This guy is as funny as you can imagine. This guy, you know, they take eye, they see Uku. Join me as I welcome the most incredible Mr. Florida in the building. Yeah. Make one greet on our people.
Thanks for having me live today. I really appreciate it. God bless you. Egbomi.
So you go speak Yoruba small because of my people.
Ma try.
Yeah, try.
Gbogbo yin ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́. I try, I'm gonna try.
You try now. You sabi now. That's what we go do.
Yes.
So let us kick it from the beginning. What is your background? Where were you born?
My background?
Yeah, where were you born? Which school did you go? Let us start from there.
First off, I was born in Delta State, Asaba. Okay. That was how I was born. And my primary school there was Wisdom Grammar School. From Wisdom Grammar School, I can't go Ogun State. I stay Ogun State too. So after staying in Delta State for like a period of years, I think like 10, 12 years, I guess. Can't go State. When life hit, life go hit you, go they move. Life go hit you, go they move. For your mind, you they try step up, but life they hit you. You they change direction, but we give thanks to God. Actually, I stayed in Ogun State for 4 years.
Ogun State for 4 years.
4 years. Ijoko. I haven't got one of the biggest schools for Ogun State.
Ogun State. You go, yeah, Yoruba small now. Those one they go don't push Yoruba for your head.
I go try. Nobody say I really come. The train that I don't really mingle.
Okay.
So I was someone that came up from a very poor background that was covered. They used training cover me. So that's why I didn't really mingle. So now my dialect and English, my family, my parents take
communicate.
Yeah. But you know me say boy Yoruba, not go insult me for Yoruba.
If I say Ori Okpe, you
even with the facial expression, I'm not saying that insult. What's that? Show ya. You can't share any. I'm not saying that insult.
Florida, Ori Okpe.
Ori Mikpe.
Yeah, that one.
Okay, 100%.
Okay. Your educational background.
Okay, I didn't finish that. I think I went to Ipoli. After then, I came to Lagos State. I'm not even Lagos. I don't spend nothing less than 15 years.
15 years. You don't try.
But the problem is, the location where they stay for the Lagos State, I'm always circulated around people. Like now, I be government worker. My partner military man.
Okay.
Yes. So now barracks I grew.
Okay.
Now the Lagos State, the barracks now a mixture of Benue, Kogi, Hausa, English. So we now become they speak the Yoruba based on the Lagos State. So now Pidgin. Everyone now Pidgin we take grow. Now you know based on say you na Kogi, you na Benue. So you go to Benue give me na Pidgin all of us
Pidgin.
Yeah. So I went to Polytechnic. Delta State Polytechnic Uzoro. So I'll be the second graduate before they turn out to university.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's where I graduated from. And
tell us about that your life, that barracks life. You know, they get the kind when you are living in the barracks. It's different from when you live in the main city. Sure, you get it's different.
Too.
You get some kind of things will go happen for barracks. Where we did, we know the experience.
I'm not gonna hear that story.
Give us some experience where you can share.
Okay, first off, I'm the first child from my mother's side, we're 6 in numbers.
Okay.
I senior everybody. I may be first born from my mother's side. Imagine say I senior 5 people. Then from 5 people. So moving on, I may be always the they play leadership role when Papa not the Mama not the. Yeah. To the glory of God, my both parents are still alive, and I want to always thank God for. Regardless, I still grateful to them.
Thank God.
You get. Then moving on. The lifestyle for the barracks not easy. Oh boy. In the year barracks, they don't say the lifestyle not be choice. But I also thank God for my mama and my papa. So for where I did today, I did thank God. So I never really don't reach where I want day, but at the end of the day, we did the lane. Terror. Hey God. It's always difficult. There's a saying that time in that barracks, growing up, that there's no great person that has come out from that barracks. Now be play. If you ask them, better barracks are there, you get. Growing up, they've only said the statement that no great man has ever come out from the barracks. And they talk, and so anybody talk say I want to be this, they could remind you say, yeah, you get who don't great from here. I want to be a lawyer, you get who don't make up from this. Why they rush? Yeah, basically, growing up, we saw some of our Egbon. Many of them. That time, police go just enter the barracks. All this, but I know they run with nylon of Igbo. Then if you know they smoke Igbo, you never belong. So growing up, I saw a lot of people doing drugs. I saw a lot of people doing smoke, and I saw a lot of people practice cultism. Yeah. So one thing I did think of my life, say I go school, I come outside, I no join court. I stay the barracks, I come outside, I no join court. I not be my power, not the power of my parents. First of all, influence not deal, influence day, but you go day within society. You know, go let the society influence
the peer pressure.
You know, go let them. You know, you influence me small, but my mama draw my ear, say come. If you spoil, they also they follow you go spoil.
Hey, oh.
Don't be say I not spoil, oh. I like Yansh, not go.
Not go trick am.
More like Idimu.
Idimu.
Oh God.
Yaraba.
But I still take us to that place, I see spoil put. He better pass. Say I hold Igbo, my younger ones they see me. At least my younger ones they see me with waist. I feel justify and say, nah, normal thing.
Nah, normal
even Bible say go into the world and multiply
and equalize.
So moving on, yeah, that joke aside, I grew up, I saw a lot of people practice cultism. Only a few of us, very few of us, now not really practice the cultism for the barracks that time. So the men for the barracks that time, they call the put pressure on us. If you don't pass 18 years, come on for the barracks. Or more than push almost portion of us because they reduce our age. And I go see person like me ask me how I say 12. 12 will be a beer. So we really did our best. I just want to advise people before I proceed.
Okay.
Not be say the economy easy like that, it's tough. But I feel like no let peer pressure hold you for neck. You get. Imagine I don't follow the ways of those peer pressure and influence. My younger ones, they don't get excuse. Imagine my younger ones now I see and tomorrow the whole Igbo or a John cut, I feel give and slap. You know why? I didn't practice those things. But in as much as I imagine I do them. If you do, I know you get point right to point finger to my eye, see Baba. I see you when you they run up and down the shower. Who wait till they saw.
Now you train us now.
You get. So that's the point. So that aside, it was so tough, but we thank God. My family, based on the salary those made the end now. So education was really, really not it. It was not really not it, but I still thank God for life of my parents. Regardless, they still make sure say they push us to the one with the fear and fall. Even if the wolves, I don't want I OJS, 1JS, 2JS, 3 together. I would. Three, not be 3 term, 3 sessions.
You know, pay.
But at the end of the day, my father still looked for a way and to sort it. We come outside. My younger ones, so I think I say 2 of them don't graduate. Although they want to see further more.
Okay.
But Ben like me, I'm not sure whether the country will make me feel further more again. But we thank God. Maybe when we don't reach that time to further more, we'll further more. But for now.
Okay. Yeah. Maybe enter the main point. Go. What is it with you and Idi and Uku? Mr. Florida, what happened? Me and you don't go one place one time. If you remember, maybe sometime last year.
Okay.
As we enter that place like this, not be this guy. He too like Yansh. You can't go front. I thought but that guy, he too like Yansh. He like Yansh. What is it with you and Yansh? You go tell us.
I wish we need to go there. We should skip.
This one we don't go skip her.
Okay, first of all, I want to say a big shout out to all my fans worldwide. Yes, because basically my fan base not be fans, not be just Nigeria. Okay. Yeah, if you watch me well, now the fan you want more talk enter my content life because I think that's where
we are going there.
So
tell us your journey into content creation.
I feel like okay, good. So
you go tell us why you always wear that Black Star jersey.
That's why I want to. That's where I think everything it compromises in like
the same point.
Yes. So
give us.
It has to come in details. First of all, I met Balo 2018 November. I think let's say November 2018 towards the ending of 2018. But before then, I've started content creation.
Okay.
Yeah, I started in the entertainment industry. I started with stand up. I did stand up for a few.
You did stand up?
Oh boy. You not get that. I do sit down. Not what I not do. I don't dance. I don't dance. So not what I never do.
Stand up comedy?
I stand up. I dance. I do stage drama. I think then, so while I was not doing content, to the glory of God and to the shame of the devil, I moved that area. I come moving for a weather.
Yeah.
So about to come moving, come that same environment. Yeah, that time. So, now work now. I did content. I can't do the content. With a push. I don't tire for dance because I dance. Not I can't repeat the same step. You get where I dance? They say Joe, Joe tell and I close share. Only. Baba change style. You get how you go dance on your
shows.
But they got the time, they say you don't do the repeat step. I can't look and say true. For the entertainment industry, if you keep on trying one thing and it's not working, you have to try another. You get until it works out. It's not a niche until you find it. It's not called a niche until you don't find them. It don't they work for you. That's when it's called a niche. So I can't look and say, okay, now I don't do stand up, and I make people there around my environment laugh.
Yeah.
Why don't I just go into content creation? I started content creation small. My first ever video I did was I did it very blur. I posted it. Just 6 people, 9 like her. The 6 people reacted to the content. What I heard now, Jesus, man. If I watch that video now, if I give myself slaps, see what I shoot. But that time, but you need to see the encouragement, man. But you creative. I'm not creative, but they were telling me that you creative. So they bust my head. I say, if I feel boss 6 people head, I feel boss 600,000 people head. If I feel boss 6 people head, I feel boss 600. Wow. I feel boss 6,000. I feel boss 600,000. I feel boss 6 million. Wow. So that mindset gone. So I do I still do school that time. So when I enter school, I can't get one. I can't do I can't be discouraged because I can't mix up with education. I had 1,000 followers on Instagram.
What year was that?
I had 1,000 followers.
Yeah.
I think
at the beginning.
At the beginning, I think around 2019, I had 1,000.
2019.
Yeah, so I had
wow.
1,000 followers.
Okay.
So I come. Before then, I met Sabalo. Sabalo, the part of people who say, "Can inspire me."
Okay.
Yes, a very good mentor. God bless you, Sabalo. I love you. You are like a father to me. I served my girl, and I was happy I served him.
Shout out to Sabalo.
Yeah, a big shout out to Sabalo. Yeah. So moving on. Someone living the part of the time he say, Baba, oh yeah, now you still they do the school thing. He didn't tell me to just do the content. He said still they do the school thing. So moving on, my younger brother still join me for the same school.
Oh, okay.
Many years there. I couldn't complain, see, because that time was quite still, even with my 1,000 followers, I still blew for the Zoro. See, yes, because I was that time, and now, like I said, if it's not a niche until you find it, and if you try this one, no work, try another one. So when I went to school, I changed content. I can't do school content.
Okay.
So my first school content can't trend for the school. So I feel not blow outside. I feel not blow go the Lagos lifestyle deal. But that campus, I was there. You get. So moving on, I can't complete. I don't try you for this content work. Why don't they push? I can't do content with Sabalo before I come the school area. So the content is Papa, you good. Why you not just? I can't continue. Can't do the school content. I can't complete give my younger brother one day. Tell me one word. I don't ever forget. The one word that I say, I get 1,000 followers. What did they do my life? They know they pass this 1,000. That's on Instagram. I never focus on. I had 1,000 on YouTube. So I don't say that Instagram the influence they come. He told me one word. I want to tell everybody. He tell me one word. Say now you gather one. He said you book 1,000 people for a year. And a lot of people. You if you gather 1,000 followers, if you gather 10,000 followers. You if you gather 10,000 followers, if you gather 100,000. To the glory of God, today I have about 1.7 million followers on Facebook.
Wow.
100 plus followers on Instagram. YouTube about 260,000. Why on TikTok 1.4 million.
Wow.
Now, that word inspired me. If you do 1,000, if you do 10,000.
If you do 10 million.
If you do 10 million. So
that was the motivation. Your younger brother gave you.
But you don't know, say, I hold on to that word. Yes. I shout out to him too.
What was his name?
His name is Wisdom.
Wisdom. Is it a guy that you do content with?
No.
No, not that one. Okay.
No. My immediate younger brother.
Oh, okay.
Because
the guy will resemble you like this.
I mean, this now.
I know. How will they see me?
But I'm a very shy person.
You shy?
Me.
Him. Yeah, he did very shy. But you,
I shy from far outside though. Now only when you're not on camera, I say rolling, action. But outside, I'm a very shy person.
We will get there.
So, continue. I think I'll come about this waste content. I've actually tried so many contents in the past. Not like they will not blow up. I've watching. When I wear that chain that time, the way my name for like millions. The chain trend. Nobody say no trend though. But it was not giving me what I wanted.
Okay.
Now, if you remember very well, shout out to Sabalo. My guy don't do this content before.
Yeah.
Sabalo has done something like this before in the past. Yes. So I feel like he contributed to it. You get. So when he did it, I participated. I was one of his directors. I brought stories.
Okay.
So I knew the in and out of it.
Okay.
So I couldn't say I did do content. They laugh, but it's not giving me the audience I want. So he can't stop. When he can't stop, then one time before that time he was doing one content. He was doing Sabalo and B.
Okay.
Yeah, relationship content. I look and say na my oga be this one. He didn't come. He went for him. He stopped him. He do Yansh. He worked for him. He stopped him. He can't go into this in school series, high school magical. Yeah, you get. So I look and say, okay, fine. My oga don't leave him. I don't try. I don't dare out there, but I'm not where I want to be. I feel never reach where I don't where I want to be today, but I thank God for the recognition and for where I don't reach. It's not easy.
It's not easy.
I could say the way to do it is not just in the Nigerian market. I know say everybody, every man for this life like woman.
Especially Yansh.
Emma Binu. I'm sorry, let me not go there. Let me not use it as a case study.
All of us, we did together.
Any man will not like Yansh. Raise the stone up, raise the first stone. There's no man in this world that will say does not. Even if you don't like Yansh, if Yansh pass, you must turn neck. There's no man that will tell me say, you are decent, good. You are married, fine. You know they cheat, good. But you don't get hard. You get the kind of Yansh will pass you. You must turn your neck. Right. And for the first time you turn your neck, you did my department.
So you must forfeit that righteousness.
I looked at it, I said, everybody, like even women, they look Yansh. Go and check. I don't want to say, I wish say God bless me with your kind of Yansh. I wish say God, you just give me small Yansh like your own. It did. So I say, if people feel they think like this, this thing, you know, believe Nigerians get the mentality.
Yeah.
Even people in Ghana, people in Cameroon, people in Australia. I say people in UK. I say, okay. Yes, the way to go about and to tackle outside Nigeria
market.
I can't see what I go to be see. I went to the market. I got a Ghana jersey. I got a Cameroon jersey too.
Okay.
Yeah, because I have dated the Ghana girl. She also like my ex. She got me one. That's the white one I started with.
Okay.
She said, if that's the idea, do it. People from Ghana will buy the idea. People from Cameroon, people from Togo, people from Benin will buy the idea. So I did it. My first waist content, it blew up. Second one blew up. Third one blew up. I said, hey, I saw how the Yansh strong. I did it. When I did with the Ghana jersey. Then it blew up. I said, okay. I tried with the Cameroon jersey. It blew up. Then I checked the region of people that were watching me. It was the people I was introducing their
jersey.
And I'm a fan of Africa. Like I love Africa. I've not had the money to. If I get money, I go around I will make sure that I touch even read Burkina Faso. Every African country. You get so I did it and it worked for me. Yeah, and I appreciated the fact that God introduced that mentality to me. At first I was scared. I said, okay, what are people going to say? But if you give a fuck about who say you remain at the spot. So I said, okay, fine, let me give you a shot. It worked for me, and to the glory of God, it's a niche. Like I said, it's not a niche until you find it. So I found it and I saw that it was a niche. And I kept on. And again, you know what my fans always like money talk.
Yeah.
When the Yansh pass. Nah lie. So I think that's also contributed to it.
Baba, we are still on the Yansh. Because it is very, very important that we highlight the metrics of the Yansh in the content creation. Now, what has been that most challenging, that significant challenges? You understand? That experience you will never forget in the course of producing content, that niche, that Yansh niche.
Okay.
What's that challenge?
Is it content in general or the Yansh?
The Yansh. We will now go to the general.
The challenges are.
There must be one thing that, you know.
I've not really faced challenges, but there's no way you would have not faced one or two. You get? I see challenges now. Challenges that we take the way person down. Because no matter how you take me down, we always come back. Yeah. So for the Yansh content, it's not easy. You know what it takes to sit fucking shit?
It's a lie.
Nah, lie.
Creating industry is a very big industry.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you guys have done well. Nigerian content creating industry. You guys, Nigerian creatives, when it comes to content creation, you guys are at the forefront in Africa. You get, because you guys are really trying. Yeah. Now, coming from that journey, you guys must be facing one or two challenges. What are those significant challenges that you guys are facing, either from the people or from, you know?
First of all, a lot of us creative, we don't face these particular challenges I want to talk about. Financial challenges, and I'll break it down. Then, secondly, location challenges. Let me location challenge. I'll break all these things down, Colin. I think the two major traffic. Okay. Traffic challenges. So let me just quickly break these three down. Like I said financial challenges. Once upon a time, I had this idea I wanted to create. Very, very brilliant. The idea, top notch, smart, the idea, I felt like the idea was so creative I could not sleep. Not that kind of creation. But due to the fact that we don't have the resources, we don't have what it takes to be there. There's some content creators that are outside today. You see their content, mad, top notch.
Yeah.
They've worked, not like they've not worked. But you see they're creative, they are able to execute it because why? They have what it takes.
They have the
resources. They have what it takes to get props, move to locations. They have what it takes to push themselves. Not all content creators have
that opportunity.
Good. So financial challenges is there. I think that's the major, first of all. Then location challenges. As much as they shoot now, I can create content in my house. Fine, good. Nobody will stop me. But there's some certain place I want to create. Like I might have, let's say for instance, I have one idea I want to create now. The idea now, I need to do it in the market. Or I need to do it at that bridge. I want to do it at, even there I say, okay, let's go as far as going to Oshodi to do it. You know the kind of challenges you what song. What you need, you don't have money. You don't share light. With the duro.
Yeah. Let's pick it up. It's unscripted, so.
Kilo, the shinoma. So, not like paying money is a bad thing, you get. But when everybody's monetizing every opportunity they have, Papa, I want to take one thing here now. Say, I said, okay, fine. Yeah, let me do something I have. There
will be a bargain.
Yes, and it discourages us as a content creator. As some certain locations we want to use, we cannot go there because of challenges we're going to face there.
Yeah.
So that's our challenge for location challenges and traffic, like I said. I know so many content creators who don't post video. Only them and their family member and I watch them.
That if you discourage person,
bro, it takes a strong content creator to say, okay, let's go again. I'm not capping. I've been in the content industry, let's say, for more than 7 years.
7 years.
More than 7 years. Let's say, if not more than 8 years. I don't want to exaggerate it. That's what I'm saying.
Back to back.
And I've not gotten what I wanted. Like I've not gotten to the stage I want to get. But what's not keeping me down or what's not making me relax? Because I feel like I have not gotten. I need to get there first. Even when I get there, I will not still slow down. That's how hungry Nigerians are. You get to are desperate. So traffic kills a lot. And before I get to this point, I've seen where I posted 5 views, 10 views, 20 views. It discourages me. But as a content creator, we don't need to back down. We need to keep going. That's why I said, if it does not work for you, try something else.
else.
So the trying of something else has kept us. Yeah, that's the point. You get. So that's it.
Then there is this narrative that is flying around now. Before, like maybe a year or two before.
Right.
Content creation, when you post, there is a certain amount of money you are supposed to have when you have a certain amount of views. Now, especially on Facebook, a lot has changed. Like some people will be complaining that I have 5 million views. Now they are giving me $5. I say, how possible?
Yes.
Unlike before, when you hit 1 million views, there is an estimated revenue a creative is supposed to get that will encourage you to do more. But now things has really changed. What be that thing? How are you receiving that? Changes.
Facebook let me say Facebook, you are lucky. You know why? Because I was somebody that has only served. So I sat for a period of time. I was never after the money. I was after the money. Let me tell you. But passion kept me. I was waiting for the right time. So I really didn't meet money. I didn't really work during the time whereby everybody gained from the monetization. Yeah, I started making money from content creation, I think last 2 years. I have had a YouTube platform since 2020. But YouTube, you have to be so buoyant, or you have to get to a state before you make money from YouTube. But YouTube is a very good platform.
Yeah.
Facebook, I was there. I was not monetized. I didn't even bother.
You were just creating.
I was just creating. I don't even care. I was not even after it. So during those times, a lot of people were making money. So that's when I said, okay, fine, let me try. I've worked with my boss for a while. Let me try. And so my boss said, called me, say, you said try get a platform for yourself. You've worked. Okay, good. I can't try monetize my platform. The period whereby I got my page go monetize, that era, people were making money. I had friends that made 500k views and make $1,000
on Facebook.
I'm not capping. That was the era I joined. But it was late. I joined was when that time Facebook was not monetized in Nigeria.
Yeah.
Yes, it was not monetized in Nigeria. So then I started. That period of time, Facebook can share. Now don't man always come my teeth Yoruba. Now don't be bad thing, boy. I got demonetized for a year again.
What happened? What did you?
Now, remember, like I said, I am new to the system.
Okay.
I had the experience, but I am new to the monetization. You get? So I was demonetized for. I had one. Let me not call it that. There's one admin. I don't want to swear for him. I don't want to call him. My agent admin. I know the admin, but Ogu. Everybody know the admin. He frustrated a lot of content creators. He frustrated many of. I was under him. I worked for his platform. It was 30-20%. I was demonetized for copyright content, whereby I don't just know. The demonetization was just coming off. I'll come back this week, they take me next week. It was, I now told the idiot that I want to give up. Guess his advice to me. You're not the first.
You're not the first to give up. If you like, give up.
I should give up. I'm not the first to give up. It broke me down. I had to start again. I went into another agency. I still met it that way. 1,000 views, $2,000. People were still making
1 million views.
1 million views, $2,000. Sorry.
$2,000.
So I met it that way, but I was unable to get that views. You get. But if you have like 100k views on YouTube, on Facebook, if you can have 100k views on YouTube 10 times in a month, you can feed yourself and your family for that month. I promise you. That era. Moving on. Facebook came to Nigeria. Content monetization came. Everything scattered. 1 million views. Now they now brought views. If you post views, 1 million views can give you $6. If you're lucky, $10 for 1 million views. Imagine the ratio. Someone that earned $1,000 from 500k views is earning $10 from 1 million views.
Telling you.
$12. I'm a living testimony. You know, we say why they like to shoot every day. That's the reason why I create content every time of my life. I barely sleep. I use glasses now because of content creation. I don't see way. That's how much content creation have pushed us. Yes, Facebook is messed up, and I feel like it's because it came to Africa or came to Nigeria. I don't know. But I encourage Mark Zuckerberg. I don't know if you are going to get this video or anybody. Please work on your platform. We are hungry. Imagine you post, if they say it's because the content is not long. I create longer contents too. I don't see. If longer content can give you $50 for 1.5 million views, I'm not capping. Or at least $100 for 1.5 million views. How many 1.5 million views am I going to have in a month?
In a month.
So that's it. Facebook is messed up. But shout out to YouTube.
Shout out to YouTube. This the way you talk. Be like I said now, when they monetize, so just like you said now when they monetize Nigeria for Facebook,
yes.
Now that thing triggered a paradigm shift.
Yes, I
all
feel
of
like
a sudden. The revenue just went from
from this
100 to this.
And they're not saying anything about it. And Facebook can just wake up and demonetize it for content you posted last year. Why didn't they violate the content that period I posted it? Why didn't you strike me for the video so I can work on it? I can delete it. You waited for 7 months before you strike me for the video I posted 7 months ago. You guys need to work on your.
Do you know there was a time?
Ogun.
Wow, wait till the happen. We go just finish this. Let's pick on Unscripted. So, they don't even come on me for my thoughts.
Can you imagine?
So, there was a time. Actually, I was under one management, just like you said. Baba, when they demonetized, we had like 3 pages monetized under one management. When they demonetized the 3 pages, I was like, I started praying, I started fasting. Somebody now told me that, see, this Facebook matter no be fasting matter.
I promise you,
then the manager can't hold one meeting about virtual meeting. I saw like over 500 creators for that meeting. You know, Zoom,
yes.
So I couldn't see people say, you said they here, Baba. The affected pages were up to 1,000, over 1,000 pages. We then demonetized generally for no reason.
I have a page that has been demonetized for 1 year now, 1 year plus for no reason. And I have my money there.
Thank you. People, money, the revenues are still there.
Yes.
People come to talk, say, what's happened? What about the money I have made on this page? They will get back to us since like over 3 years now.
Demonetization, the Facebook demonetize your money.
Uti law. Is it that we will not work for the money after making like on the cope? These changes. How are they doing?
Yeah, so I feel like for content creators who are You know, so they get content creators. Creators they various. They have content creators for YouTube. That do only YouTube content. They have creators for that do everything. Like Sabalo does everything, both TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and there are creators that do just live videos. We call them streamers too, but we are all creatives.
Yeah.
You get. So many of them don't do content creation, but they say enough favor them become. Like I said, if it does not favor you, try something else. You get. So we say we don't be indebted to this content lifestyle. We love doing it. Passion. First of all, passion is keeping us. Yes, passion is keeping us, and the act of consistency still kept us, and the act of trying other things too. We just done everything together, and that's what we take the do. Like for instance, me, I create both YouTube content, both Facebook content, both Instagram content separately.
Separately, like this particular content is most suitable for Gram. This one is most suitable for Facebook.
This one is most suitable for YouTube. Just that Facebook accepts all contents, like both the one you post on your Gram, the one you post on your YouTube, the one you put. You can cut the one on your YouTube and post on your Facebook. Facebook accepts it, so we just take Facebook as a platform that we can just drop every other content on it. Yeah, that's it. But you as doing landscape cannot start. Not like you cannot do it. I don't know, but most people don't do it. You cannot start creating Instagram videos and start. You can post on your shorts. YouTube have made it easy for us. You can post on your shorts too. So kudos to YouTube again.
Kudos to YouTube, bro.
Yeah,
you
so
can make money from the shorts too.
Yeah.
So, you know, our creative industry is moving forward. It's evolving.
It's evolving.
You know, now just like you said, a lot of creators, a lot of content creators are now, you know, going into streaming.
Yeah.
They are doing like is the next thing right now.
Yeah.
On I get any plan to go that way?
Are you asking me in general?
I'm asking you.
Just
asking as a content creator.
First of all, I streaming is something I would love to do, because when it comes to my social lifestyle, I will not say it, but from the end I've seen for people that I'm jovial, I have what it takes to do it.
Yeah.
And I feel like my fans want to see those women around me. They were like, I promise you that's the point. They want to see they want to see my lifestyle. They want to see how I used to cope, because having 5 women on the set, having 3 women, how do you cope? Most of my fans think I sleep with those women.
Okay, I was actually going there. Waiting be that thing, because a lot of people, some fans, some audience, they'll be like, this guy go don't knock this girl's tire.
No. It's not like it's not possible. There's no way. In your past life, you don't deal with women.
Yeah.
You cannot. Why I say you cannot, in the sense that you cannot work with them. The moment you start sleeping with this, sleeping with that, sleeping with this, you cannot work with them. So the best way to work with them is make them understand who you are, your kind of person, and stop jumping from one. You keep having a girlfriend or have a babe, stay one place. That's the only way you can work with different kind of women of that category. You get yes, and you'll be successful. I promise you. But the moment you start going from year to year, you will not do well.
Now let's talk about Sabalo's experience.
All right.
You know, just like you said, and we know that you have spent a lot of years working with Sabalo, from the back set to the front of the camera and all of that. What was that experience like? Some people will say those people, they are workaholic. They walk. Somebody told me that them Brother Shaggy, them Lawyer Kunle, that Sabalo and co, that they work like they don't have one penny. Is it true?
They don't have one penny?
They work like they don't have any money. They are made.
Yes.
They are some of the biggest in the world.
Yes.
Content creation. Yes. They are made.
Okay.
They are gold.
Okay.
Now, they still work like they don't have one kobo.
Okay, now I get you. True. I don't know about other content creators, but I know about Maoga. We even spoke last night. And when we spoke last night, what you were telling me was, your video no long now, make it reach 30 minutes now. I'm not joking. He called me, he saw the content. He said, wow, watch my YouTube job. He said, good. But you're not long now. Even me when you shoot, I say, oh boy, you know how they come about writing the story and all of that. But he was telling me that, Baba, you need to. Sabalo is one of the icon of this industry. He has been there for many of us. Even till date, there are some of the Gen Zs that are into content creation. You can see the way he's bringing new set of content creators too. You get, during our time, content creation was so difficult. Even I'm not lying to you. Now it's difficult because of the competition. But then there was no so many platforms whereby TikTok was not monetized in Nigeria. But Facebook was not monetized in Nigeria. Like, so we always find it difficult to find revenue. You get it? So Sabalo has always been a man that everybody look up to. When I was working for Sabalo, Sabalo, sorry, 12 a.m. my God go wake me say, stand up, let's shoot. I will never forget that thing.
12 or 9
a.m. I'm not joking. And the point is, we shot before we slept. we finish shoot around, let's say we finish shoot around 9.
Okay.
Do you know why I like him? Sabalo made me, he gave me the strength I had today. Because I watched him, Sabalo had 12 boys, one girl.
12 boys.
One girl.
His children.
No be boy, no born. 12 boys like me, 12 people that work. And now, the 12 people, he didn't say, go, come here, come and work for me. Don't come and work for me. No, he didn't say it. Sabalo treated us as his children. Yes, he provided. You know what is that? It means to have shelter in Lagos, having shelter. The 12 of us, not every 12 will be clean. He still taught the ones that are dirty how to be clean. You feel me? Yes, he trained many of us. Many of us don't have the idea of holding cameras. I learned how to do, because I can edit. I learned how to edit from Sabalo Clinic. How to edit a professional job with laptop. And I've taught, and now the good thing is I have taught other people. The current editor in Sabalo Clinic here right now that stays that works for him, he learned it from me. But the guy is better than me now.
Professional editing.
Yes,
you can edit a whole movie.
I can edit a movie and sound. Yes, wow. I learned it from Sabalo Clinic.
Wow, that's big.
Yes, so Sabalo is a man that he does not. And now that 12 o'clock, that's the amazing part. Now, do you know why I said that 12 of us? He will wake us 12 o'clock. Let's shoot. Now that idea came in his head after 9 o'clock. He finished shooting. We are say Florida. The girl just come downstairs.
Which girl?
She go here, finish the story. You see me around 12 o'clock. Do you know why? Now we're not angry. We're not angry. You know why? Because we enjoyed it. We're enjoying it. We love it. We're not saying it like it was. No, we're saying that it's a growth. Around 7 o'clock. I don't know. We're here for upstairs at 8 o'clock. Wake up, oh, 8 don't knock. I want to make up for Lagos. 8 o'clock, we say, the first thing we do is we do morning devotion. For morning devotion, now start work. Because you must pray before, he said Monday to Saturday, you must do morning devotion. So they go to church. That morning devotion, 1 hour, I know they stop anything. They will start this content about 9 o'clock. Sabalo will start 9 o'clock till 6, 7, 8. Goes, I go rest 1 hour. You'll get idea, come back around. You go say, you go look us. I look us around 12 a.m. He said, no, I go sleep. Idea don't come. That's how consistent it was. Sabalo worked 30 days in a month, 30 days. Wow. I don't know about his strength now. His service don't reduce to 25 days. But that was how consistent Sabalo was. So, and I'm happy I saw him. And then he trained my mentality. He trained it, yes.
Baba, see, man to man on the real. Me, let me talk for myself and some other people like me. See, when I made up to that level, when I'm as big as those kind of guys,
yes,
I don't think I can walk that much.
Yes.
When I make, because when the house they say they make social amount of money monthly. If I make half,
you'll be contented.
Half that one not even too much. If I make 1/4 of what they make,
yes,
I don't think you gonna see me for lounging. That's why I go there like this.
Yeah, this I'm saying is it's.
But these people they don't do that.
They have 90% of creative when they make half of what those guys make. They want to relax because it's not. First of all, it's not easy to make quarter of what they made.
I'm telling you.
But if you make it, you want. Yeah, me and Bayo have spoken about something like this before. Many creative will relax because it's not. You are making $100 before you can't make $10,000. You go relax now. You make your 20,000, you go relax. You don't want to make $20, you relax now. But people like them, they always want to be there. And that's what has always been keeping there. Shout out to our senior colleague who has been encouraging us and who has been keeping us working too. God bless you.
Amen. Now, before we wrap it up, maybe just touch on some, things. See, in the industry, content making industry, this guy, Fekomi, he came out, he talked about influencers overcharging. That he has worked with a couple of people, he talked about Kataife, he talked about a lot of them like that, that some influencers actually overcharge, that it is not realistic. What is your take as an influencer too? What is your take on that topic? Because that topic trended it's still trending actually. What's your take on it?
First of all,
Fekomi is watching.
Shout out to him.
Shout out to Fekomi.
Should I bring my own job? Fekomi, yeah. All right. Influencers in general, because I take advice too, you get.
Yeah, of course.
Yes. Creating content is not something easy. We use money to create content, you get. Creating content now, for instance, me calling you, let's say for instance, I shoot women content, like me calling you for my shoot, I will have to foot your bills, like your transportation. After your transportation, how you eat.
Yeah.
Then And if I cannot give you everything, I will add something on your transportation so that tomorrow when I call you, you can come. Imagine you creating an advert content now. You can say, I want to create advert. This lady now, we don't understand you are creating a normal content. Okay. An advert is attached. Our mentality is you are being
paid handsomely.
Definitely, we have to add money for these actors to compensate them or to make them understand that even as well, they're not paying plenty things, but just
even the crew,
we have directors. I have people that are monthly salary, for instance, now. You get
now.
Yes, content creation has evolved. When I start making money, I promise you, everybody under my crew will enjoy. Like when I start making money, everybody, because they deserve it. This work now a division of labor. You cannot do it alone. You need other people to get. So now for the advert rates increment, it's not. I feel like everybody wants to increase the advert rate should do it to brain. If you are charging 300,000 naira before, you charge 450 because unlike you creating content now don't skyrockets now. Wait till they take create content before not be him. If you are charging 1 million naira before, you do 1.5. I hear content creators that they charge 7-6 million. I don't know. It depends. Maybe I've not gotten to that stage. That's why I see it like it's so big and so high. So for whoever who is creating content for that particular rate, we still need to respect them. Now you know what to make and they charge like that. So I feel like everybody with their own specific rate and charges. If you cannot go for the one of 6 million, go for the one of 3 million. For the one of 3 million, go for the one of 2 million. Go for the one of 2 million, go for. There are creators that charge that take 350K. So that's how I feel like it should be like.
Shout out to Fekomi once again. Before we wrap it up, I just say shout out to your fans, those Yansh loving people.
Shout out to all the men in the world that love Yansh. And for those that don't love Yansh, welcome back. Sorry. Shout out to all my fans that like Yansh. And for those that don't like Yansh, we are waiting for you. Every man must like Yansh. You guys are the real MVP. God bless you guys for pushing my craft. God bless you guys for supporting. Without you guys, I don't know who we're creating the content for. Once upon a time, we create the content and watch it alone. Yes, you guys, I love you. From I'm not joking, from the deepest part of my heart. I love everybody who supports. The sky is too big for everybody to fly.
Yeah.
We don't need to envy another person. Yeah, shout out to you guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you.
There is this segment before we go.
Okay.
We call it celebrity phone call. Our guest will get to call one celebrity that will pick his or her call. So which celebrity you can call that will pick your call? Pam. We're going to say, Mr. Florida. Then lest I forget, that name, Mr. Florida, how did you come about that name?
Oh boy, it's been a long time. I've been very Mr. Florida before I started content creation.
Okay, what brought that? What brought the idea?
All right, this is it. I used to. It's not even associated to, like I said, I did stand up, I did dance, so it's not associated to content creation.
Oh, okay.
I have one friend. I'm very sure the person will not forget the person will not forget the whole thing because I think we were still young when he gave me the name. I used to wear a brand then back then, big filler. I used to wear my pants, my box, everything used to be filler. Then everything filler. So they used to call me Mr. Filler. So it's F, Mr. Filler. So I started wearing it. I'm looking at person. Like I said, if something does not work, you try something else. I've always been from small. I've been looking for one way to be in the limelight, to be there. So in my area, they used to call me because of what I used to do. So anybody that sees me must see me with filler. Anywhere I go. So Mr. F. So prime to when we're not playing football. One day we were playing football. I used to be very fast. Let's say play football. Oh my!
You sabi play.
I sabi play ball, but that time when I did play ball, I was fast. I was so fast that if you keep ball, then I fly. So one guy, because of the fact that my name used to be Mr. F, Mr. Filler, I don't know. The guy say you just run pass ball. You don't run go Florida, Nana. You just run leave ball go Florida. So then I look and say you just run leave ball go Florida. Mr. F, Mr. Florida. Breeze just blew my ear. The next day I came to the field again. I run past the Mr. Florida don't start again. Where did the run go? I said, hey, okay. I don't see name. That's why I said the name Memoir. That's why I started naming Ben Mr. Florida. And I felt everybody loved the name. So imagine you will change from let me not tell them my real name, I beg.
You have not even told them, tell us.
Itaka. I like my English name, Destiny. Onyema. So then I was the Onyema. Say, Onyema for where?
Itaka is good.
Itaka is my son name actually.
Okay.
The Onyema. Mama Onyema. Why Onyema? I said, I beg you, may not give me better name, Jerry. So that's why I started bearing Mr. Florida on stage. Shout out to Mr. Florida is sweet. I'm dancing. Mr. Florida is sweet. Introducing her, so as I picked up the name. Shout out to Musa. He gave me the name.
Then the celebrity phone call now.
Ooh, now you know this is my house now. Network problem. Can I have my phone?
I beg, bring your phone. I beg.
One celebrity that will pick my phone. I have a lot of them. But let me call the one that just to pick it and I will hang up, Abi.
You just tell the person that
I'll call
you
him
are on a show that you should give us a shout out. You should give this our fans, a shout out. That's all.
Hey.
You guys should just relax. Mr. Florida is about to call a celebrity that will pick his call.
Oh God. Just one.
Just one.
What if it does not pick the call?
You move on to the next one.
Okay.
One celebrity that can pick.
Let me call my friend.
There must be one celebrity that even in the night, when you call the person, say,
let me call. We ti bere. O ti lọ gbé phone sí DND. Olóṣì Báyọ̀. We spoke this morning, no. All right, let me call somebody else.
Okay, we are waiting. All right. Thank God, this one the ring.
He always turn up. My Oga. Father, you see, my Oga call me Itaka. Good morning, sir. So, my Oga, I'm fine, sir. Good morning. First of all, I'm on a show right now. They say make I call my Oga if you go pick my call. I tell them say everything what they do. Say no matter where I did, even if I did fire. Say once I call my Oga, they always respond. So now I say make now you call my mind. I say make I call you. May you give us shout outs. Now my Oga Sabalo now, Mr. Sabalo.
Mr. Sabalo in the building. Sabalo, your fans they are hearing you. Just say a shout out to your fans.
Oh, okay. Which of the program, please?
Unscripted with Jeff Owolewa. Your fans are hearing you. Just make one agree them.
With Jeff Owolewa, Unscripted.
Unscripted with Jeff Owolewa.
Yes, boss.
God bless my fans. God bless you all. Bless your generation.
Amen.
A very big shout out for everyone watching this program right now, hearing this program right
Amen.
now. God will surprise you.
Amen.
You know, now, I love my fans already now. One love, everybody. God bless you all, man.
Baba, God bless you for picking this call. Thank you so
once,
much.
before they even ring 2 times. God bless you, sir. You see what I told you about my Oga? Right, sir. 7 years now we've been together. Thank you.
For you to pick to call Sabalo, piam like that.
The Oloshi don't call me back. Bayo don't call me back.
You don't cut that. Maybe pick you don't cut.
He will yet to tell me that. Wait.
Wow.
We don't need this one anymore now.
About call her, maybe yeah, but now buy your beat be that.
Bayo beat you all of Nagonoa. He be like woman. He like woman pass me.
This online Yansh. That one they follow woman.
Hello, Big B. Show soon. Are you sleeping? You did. You see what I like is my friend, Mr. Consistency. Baba, are they on a live show now? Now they say make I call one of my celebrity friends. Now I say, I want to call, but don't forget to say the proof for DND. So you do on live now. Anything you say or do will be used against you.
Bayo, your fans they hear you.
So they say when you do shout out to them. Shout out. They said my friend will go pick my call. The first person I don't know what make you call my mind. You fed no first go they do DND. But thank God say you call back.
Alright, so I want to shout out to the fans.
Yes, your own fans. Tell them say you like them.
Jeff Owolewa, Unscripted.
Shout out to the Bio Beat fans. You guys are wonderful. I make una no verse for all the non-continuous movies, right? But we are working on them.
Yeah.
Then for all the one we watch First John.
Yes, so First John.
If you not press Floyd and neck, you go release
Part 2.
Cost. That's not 2 million. You go just find 2.
I swear, if I see 2 million, cool offer.
Yeah, so I really appreciate you guys. One love, guys. One love.
Thank you for the call.
Thank you.
Buy your beats. God bless.
All right. So that's Bayo. Bayo.
Tiwani Leon, I don't see as they go. This is Mr. Florida once again. And I don't hear as Mr. Florida call Sabalo where he pick up. Baba is good to be good.
Yeah.
It's good to be good. Thank you for coming on the show. We really appreciate your presence. God bless you for your support. Kí àwọn fans yẹn ní Yorùbá.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ gbogbo yín tẹ́ ń wò mí nílé. Bí church lẹ ń wò àbí bí ọ̀nà. Wherever you are, ẹ ṣé gan. Ẹ máa support wa. A dúpẹ́. A dá fún yín.
Àmín.
A dá fún gbogbo wa. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ the problem that is going on in the country will not affect anyone. It will stop by the grace of God. Sorry, ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ káalẹ́, whatever you are watching for, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín, ṣé gan, fún yín tẹ́ ń wo fídíò wa, a dá fún yín.
Àmín.
Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, you guys should not stop supporting us. Keep the momentum. A dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú gbogbo yín.
Amen.
Yes, thank you very much for supporting.
Amen. Yeah. So if they call you for Yoruba film now,
that's the problem. I have always had. That's the problem. Growing up, I didn't really mingle with Yoruba people.
You go learn now.
They're amazing people. Yeah. I am ready to. I did a movie now by Leke. I wrote a story about Leke. I wrote the story.
We get Yoruba background.
Yoruba. Be sure everything was Yoruba, but just that we used more of English.
Yeah, now.
So.
Thank you so much for your support. As we come to the end of this episode of Unscripted with Jeff Owolewa, God bless you for your support. Yeah. God bless you for your prayers. Yeah. Bye.
All right, take care.
Bye-bye.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.